The Mini Outspan Orange is one of the most unusual promotional vehicles ever built. Created between 1972 and 1974 by Brian Waite Enterprises in East Sussex, England, it was commissioned by South African fruit exporter Outspan to advertise its oranges across Europe. Only 6 examples were produced, making it one of the rarest Mini-based vehicles in existence. The project presented an unusual engineering challenge. An orange is almost perfectly spherical, yet the vehicle had to remain road legal and easy to drive. Engineers used the mechanical components of the classic Mini because its front-wheel drive layout and detachable subframes allowed major body modifications. The wheelbase was shortened to just 48 inches, 1.22 meters, while a lightweight glass fiber monocoque body was molded to resemble a giant orange, complete with a green leaf on top. Power came from the Mini's 848 cubic centimeters A-series engine, paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission. Because of the compact chassis, the engine sat beneath the dashboard and was accessed through a lift-up panel inside the cabin. Early prototypes proved unstable, tending to pitch forward due to the engine's weight, so concrete ballast was added beneath the floor to improve balance. The unusual proportions limited performance. The Outspan Orange was happiest at around 30 miles per hour, 48 kilometers per hour. At speeds approaching 40 miles per hour, 64 kilometers per hour, the short wheelbase and tall body made the vehicle unstable, creating a real risk of rollover. Steering remained surprisingly sharp thanks to the Mini suspension, but high-speed driving was never its purpose. The interior was as distinctive as the exterior. Deep orange upholstery, padded vinyl panels shaped like citrus segments, orange carpeting, tinted windows, and bench seating created a futuristic 1970s atmosphere. Access was through a single rear door, while the non-opening windows made hot summer days uncomfortable. The Outspan Orange toured the United Kingdom, France, Germany, and South Africa, appearing at fairs, exhibitions, and promotional events. It attracted enormous public attention and became one of the most memorable advertising vehicles of the decade. Today, 3 original cars are known to survive. One remains in South Africa, another is displayed at the National Motor Museum in Beaulieu, England, and a third is believed to be preserved in BMW's museum collection. More than 50 years after its debut, the Mini Outspan Orange remains an extraordinary combination of creative engineering, clever marketing, and British automotive ingenuity.